Whoa, that looks delicious. Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is AHSA World. Inshallah, today we're going to be cooking lamb mandi. Alhamdulillah, we have a fresh lamb leg here, and we have some peppers and large chili, and we have all the different spices. But inshallah, we'll go through everything as we do it. First of all, we'll cut the large peppers and the onions. So we'll take the large peppers, and we don't want to cut it too much, so we'll just in 2 pieces, just to get some flavor out. When we put it into the large tray, you will see. All these large peppers add all the flavors and tastes to go in. Some lovely large green chilies. It's not too hot, just to add some flavor. So we'll just cut it the same. I'll add it at the end. And the onions as well, don't want to cut it into small pieces, so large pieces. So we'll have 4 slices, cubes of onions. Like that. I don't normally cook. Most of the time it's my wife, so she's having a rest. I thought I'll cook for everybody today. It's been on my mind for a while to cook lamb mandi, and one of my friends keeps talking about lamb mandi because he loves the lamb mandi. And it's a very soft meat once it's cooked, and my children really enjoy it. Everybody really enjoys it. It's all the flavor of the lamb that comes out of it. It's really good. So now what we'll do is we've got everything ready. We've cut all the peppers and the onions, and we'll add it to the tray. Some of the spices we got here. I'll go through it with you, inshallah. Okay, now we've got a nice lamb leg here. So we've got some turmeric powder and grounded pepper and salt and saffron mixed with water. Now we'll put some turmeric powder all over the leg. Like that. And then put some salt. And put some grounded grounded pepper. The grounded pepper has a nice scent. It adds lots of flavors, and so will the saffron. If we just take a brush and brush the saffron all over the leg. You cover it because one of the main ingredients is the saffron. It gives it's what makes the mandi. Okay, so make sure it's evenly spread everywhere. Okay, that's it. That's covered all of one side. Now turn the leg over and do the same to the other side. Okay, now we've got everything ready. We've got all the onions and the spices and the peppers. We've got everything. Now we're going to add everything in here and add some warm water. So we'll add all the okay. Now we'll add some hot water. See how much I'm adding. On top, I'm going to put the little rack. On top of that, I'm going to add the leg. Right, next, I'll put the grease-proof paper. The silver foil to cover on top of that. Okay, that's all ready to go into the oven. We'll go into the oven for about 2 hours. So always check that this is enough water still in there. If the water is going, add some more water in there. After 2 hours, we're going to add the rice. Oh. Whoa. Right, so looks delicious. Go first, add the rice. The 6 cups of basmati rice, and So 12 cups of hot water will go in here with 6 cups of rice. I'll just mix it all together. So all the flavors come into the rice. We'll put the leg back on and put it back into the oven for another half an hour. Right, back in the oven for another half an hour. So now, to review what's happened. I'll put it together, just show you. Please like and subscribe and share, and send your messages and see how we can improve. Thank you for watching.